Hi everyone, my name's Jerry. I'm one of the service technicians here at Airstream of DFW. Today we're going to go over some tips and tricks of maintenance and operations on items on your Airstream trailer. First we're going to start off with the steps. What you want to do to start is to use both of your hands, put your fingers under these latches, take your thumbs on the threshold and lift up with your fingers. That should drop the steps initially. If they don't drop immediately, that could be a sign of them needing lubrication. There we go. Now they've dropped all the way down. You're going to take the top step, fold it forward, lift the back of it up, fold it around as well. Now once you're done with that, you want to push down. You can do that with your feet or your hands, and make sure that it's not loose. If it is loose and it hasn't locked into place, you could get this number where it's going to fall on you when you try to step. There's a lip under the first or this top step that you can lift on to pull it up and lock it into place. Now, if you're having problems with the hinges, with getting the steps down initially or turning out the step, you want to lubricate the hinge points here. What we suggest and we use here is CRC POWERLUEE, which is a high performance lubricant with PTFE. You want to spray it in each of the hinge points here. And then also up in here, you've got two more hinge points on each side. You want to do that depending on the conditions and the climate that you're in, maybe every 1 to 3 months. Once you've done that, work each of the hinge points a little bit. When closing it, you're going to push in on these hinges, lift this part of the step, fold that in, flip it over, make sure that's flat down, grab the lip that's underneath this step, lift up, push back, and push up until it locks into place. Just make sure that you're lubricating it often enough. If you find that it's still sticking, lubricate it once a week if that's what you need. And that would be operation and maintenance of your steps. Thank you very much for joining us today. Please be sure to give the YouTube channel a subscribe for more tips and tricks.